Hey guys, I thought I'd do a quick video on Cerberus Cyber Sentinel Corporation, symbol CISO NASDAQ. And this thing had a good day. Traded $18 million, that's a 100-day high. Had a 155 factor and up 67%. During the day, intraday high was at 22, so that's like, I don't know, 100 over 100% intraday. Anyway, this is a classic Munson. One of our guys came up with the Munson strategy, which says that when a company has a 200-day low, like she did here on 10/26, and another one intraday on 11/2, and previously has had some high factors, like right here, okay? Like she traded a million out of the blue. Before that, she was trading what, 20 grand a day? Then she trades a million. Then she trades almost $8 million in a day. But then she drops back, okay? And she reaches this 200-day low. And what the Munson strategy says is that if this, if this situation happens, inevitably the stock will run hard. Wow, we're having an earthquake. I'm in Southern California. That's cool. I got an earthquake on video. It doesn't seem like a very big one, but anyway, so that's what happened. And what's interesting to see here is after she hit this 200-day low, she channeled like, I mean, she closed at the same price 1, 2, 3, 4 days in a row. How rare is that? And so that was another signal here that she was channeling. Anyway, you could have got in this at 10 easy and made some nice profit today. If you got out close to the high of the day, you would have had 100%. Let's see what she did. If I click on the chart here, let's see what she did intraday. Okay, she was bebopping along here. I guess she had some kind of a news thing, some relationship with Microsoft, but that sent her up to, what is that, 18? Drop back, and then she had that 200-day high of 22.45, and then drop back. But after hours, she's back over 2. So anyway, I thought I'd show this, and anyway, happy trading. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. Um, and it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this. Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.